Welcome to Prithviraj Finance. We are presenting the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 17th November 2025 till 22nd November 2025. Right now, we will not speak about the influences by the political parties. Due to that, the market has swindling or market has doing this and that. We will do the pure analysis over here. If we see the Nasdaq Composite Index close around 22,900 points, it has given the weekly high how many 23,073 points, and it goes in the whole week, I guess, so 22,436 points. So see, if we see the weekly 52 weeks lower is 14,784 points, and we have seen the whole year 10,000. In 52 weeks we have seen 10,000 is a gap. 10,000 point is a gap, means how this composite index has picked up is quite cool. It's like something look different ways, different idea, different administration, different influences. If we see the Nasdaq 100 analysis, the chart of this indices, so it's also like in the 52 weeks low shows that 16,542.20, and the market has given the highest peak is 26,182.10, and in this week they have goes up to 24,993, means 25,000 they have given a market close. So 25,000 has opened up within a week. They have given different ways, means 500 USD up and down. The volatility into the market is unpredictable, isn't it? Let me know what is your comment all about how this market is really performing as of now. Is quite catchy one. So the predictions for Nasdaq Composite Index, Nasdaq 100, which will be valid for 10th November 2025 till 15th November 2025. The composite index minimum lower end it can goes up to $22,610, and suppose it can show stability around 23,700 points, and suppose it goes up 24,400 points, it can cross it. Nasdaq 100, which will be if suppose it goes down, it can touch up to 24,600 points. Suppose it may sustain it will sustain around 25,850 point, and suppose it goes 26,300 points. This is the new target we have given to all of you for this week or for next whole month even, because market is unpredictable, and this is our first video which is really fail. I mean, it's last week whatever we have uploaded has our analysis literally failed, and that's really hurt for my audience, I guess. So hardly one person has watched the video. Anyways, guys, so whatsoever, we are not controlling here Nasdaq. So we say that there is always risk in financial market. You have to study yourself and then find a research and then invest into the market. So the prediction for Nasdaq Composite Index and Nasdaq 100, which will be valid from 17th November 2025 till 22nd November 2025. The Composite Index minimum lower end it can goes below 22,610 points. Suppose this show the stability around 23,500 points. Suppose it goes up at highest level, it can give it to you 24,000, but we are not given in return. we will give it to you in return. 23,800 is a feasible one. So Nasdaq 100 is minimum lower end, it can go to 24,800 points. Suppose this give it to you stability around 25,800 point, and suppose it will goes up, it can goes below about 26,200, but we in return we are giving 25,900 points. That's all about Nasdaq predictions for both the indices. Do you believe it or not? Nowadays, nothing is a big, everything happen about around this is unbelievable. The stock, you can check out our previous stock analysis why the market has shut down. I mean, suddenly everything is going beyond something. There is a lot of manipulations are going or something like that. We don't understand the market in that much deeply because we are new to the market. Yeah, we deliver this, give the stat about it, but the fact is that the stat comes along with the some factors. But why the market is such unpredictable, and whether that really deserve it or not, that we don't understand it. So anyways, it's all about how the broker arbitrage, how these companies are performing. Is those companies really performing? Is those people are really existing? Is there is a transparency in the stock analysis? I mean, not on a virtual chart level basis, I'm asking, but the practically, if we see that, is really pay out the people, or it is on the paper only, people define it. I mean, that's quite different ways. Thank you, by Vidvesh Finance. Hope this Saturday, Sunday, you will very much interested to analyze what we speak about it. But the fact is that Ridhvej Finance says that risk is always into the market. Before investing into the market, you can check out from your end. Our mantra is wallet is ours, so we know our budget and how we will invest it, what are the way we will invest it. People says that the price of the our product is 1 USD, but we are spending 1000 USD. Okay, so all about we should understand without profit people are not doing. Yes, there are a number of people who do that sort of is like a charity to get a market attention or the popularity into the market. But the fact that till what time they will get it. So, anyways, our hot equities number of times as we seen today, we have picked up the hot equity 100 days 100 challenge is all about AbbVie, Global Foundries, and Applied Material and Abbott. So four we have delivered it already. So you can wait it for other equity and check out which hot equity is in your budget, where do you want to invest it, whether you wanted to wait for another another discount price, whether you wanted to sell out at this peak of pricing. All decisions are yours. Anyways, guys, happy Sunday. Bye bye in advance.